Jungorilla. Hello everyone, welcome to my class. I'm your Korean instructor, Jungorilla, Jung. Did you review what we learned in the previous class? I hope you did. Then, let's figure out how well you understand. Are you ready? Okay, we learned particles for making adverbs related to place and direction, right? First, if you want to say, there is a ball under a box, what do you have to say? Good. 상자 아래에 공이 있어요. 상자 아래에 공이 있어요. And second, if you want to say, he met me outside his office, what do you have to say? Good. 그는 그의 사무실 밖에서 나를 만났다. And the last, if you want to say, I came from Seoul, what do you have to say? Good. 나는 서울에서 왔어요. 서울에서 왔어요. Or if you mean just starting points, in that case you can say 나는 서울에서부터 왔어요. 서울에서부터 왔어요. Like that. Okay? Well done. I know it's a bit hard sometimes to understand what we learned, but don't give up. As I already mentioned, practice makes you improve your Korean skills. I believe you. So cheer up. Today, we're going to learn nouns, 명사 in Korean. Then, let's go! If you get satisfied with my video, please subscribe and click like. Thank you! Okay, to begin with, nouns are names of all the things and concepts around you. We have several classification standards, but mostly we can divide nouns into two categories, which are common nouns and proper nouns. Common nouns are representative names of all sorts of things and concepts around us. For example, person, 사람, and nation or country, 나라, and city, 도시, river, 강, sea, 바다, company, 회사, like that, okay? Good. Proper nouns, however, are the only things that are uniquely designated. For example, among all the people, 철수, you know, is only one person, right? The only one person. That is a proper noun. And Korea is the only one country, right? So 대한민국 is Korea. And Seoul, Seoul is a unique city, right? And 한강, 한강, it's also a unique river. And 동해 is a unique sea, right? And among all the companies, Samsung is the unique company, right? Like Apple in America, right? So, proper nouns are typically uncountable, which means countable nouns are among common nouns. Okay? Good. Then, how can you express plural form or count in Korean? When you want to use plural form, you only have to put 들 right behind countable nouns. For example, 사람 plus 들. 사람들, that is a plural form of 사람. 사람 is a person, right? And 책 plus 들. 책들. 책 is a book. Okay, so 책들 is books. And 공책 plus 들, 공책들. 공책 is a notebook, and 공책들 is notebooks. And 고양이 plus 들, 고양이 is a cat. So 고양이들 is cats. Okay? But you have to be careful. You can put quantitative adjective in front of plural forms like many. Many is 많은, 많은. Or various. Various is 다양한, like that. Or a few, 몇몇의, a little, 약간의, and so on. Okay? On the other hand, you cannot say like 5 책들, like 5 책들. It is incorrect. So you should not put any numbers right in front plural forms. Okay? Good. Then how can you count? How can you count in Korean? We can say pure Korean counting like 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷 when you point something, okay? Or we have to use particular unit nouns for counting with pure Korean counting numbers, like 2 cups of coffee. So in English, you use these unit nouns for counting only when you try to count material nouns like liquid, water, furniture, and so on. However, in Korean, you have to use proper unit nouns every time you count. For example, when you count people, you have to use 사람 or 명. So, 5 people, 5 사람, 5 명, like that. And when you count animals like a cat, in that case, you have to use 마리. 5 cats, 고양이 5 마리. Okay? And 권 for books or notebooks like that. So, 5 notebooks, 공책 5권, 공책 5권. And 대 for counting machine. So, 5 computers is 컴퓨터 5대, 컴퓨터 5대. And 개 is for things around you, okay? Things around you, 개. In this case, 빵 is bread, so 5 loaves of bread or 5 pieces of bread. Anyway, we have to say in Korean, 빵 5개, 빵 5개. And bottle is a 병. Bottle is 병, okay? 맥주 is a beer. So, 5 bottles of beer. 맥주 5병. 맥주 5병, like that. Good. And coffee. Coffee is coffee. 잔 is like a glass, okay? So, 커피 한 잔. 커피 한 잔 is a glass of coffee. I know. Mostly you say cup, right? So 2 cups of coffee like that. However, in Korean, 잔 is like a glass, okay? And pizza. When you just want to say 2 slices of pizza or 2 pieces of pizza, in that case, you have to say 조각. So, 피자 2 조각. 2 pieces or 2 slices, that is 2 조각, okay? And water, we mostly say cup. So, 물 2 cup, that is 2 cups of water, okay? In English, you mostly say 2 glasses of water, right? However, in Korean, we mostly say 물 2 cup, like that, cup. And 신발 is shoes, so 켤레 for counting 신발. 켤레 is like a pair, so 5 pairs of shoes, like that. In that case, you have to say 신발 5 켤레, 5 켤레, like that. And the next thing, 옷. 옷 is clothes. So we mostly use 벌 for counting clothes. Okay? So 5 pieces of clothes. We have to say 옷 5벌. 옷 5벌, like that. And when you just try to count paper, in that case, we use 장. So 장 is like sheet, a sheet. Okay? So 5 sheets of paper. In that case, you have to say 종이 5장. 종이 5장. Like that. You can follow me, right? I know it's really difficult, but when you memorize this, it will give you lots of help. Okay? Good. Then, let's wrap it up. Today, we learned nouns, 명사 in Korean. Okay? The first thing, which one do we have to use? Good. 6 사람이 들어왔다. Not 6 사람들, right? Good. And the second sentence, which one do we have to use? Good. 나는 많은 사람들을 보았다. Why 사람들? Because of 많은, right? In the next sentence, which one do we have to use? Good. 영희는 내 친구이다. 친구이다. Right? Because one person, right? So 친구이다, like that. In the next sentence, which one do we have to use? Good. 공책 2권. 2권, right? books and notebooks, you have to say 권, right? And the last, which one do we have to use? Good. 고양이 5마리. 고양이 5마리. Well done. Too many things to memorize, right? I know. However, you have to keep practicing and memorizing. Once you master this, you get some advantage in learning Korean. Okay? Keep trying. You can make it. In the next class, we'll learn pronouns at last. Thank you very much and see you next time. Bye-bye.